how to achieve the perfect no makeup look if you have acne scars and or hyperpigmentation. Let go. So the first step is that you want to spot conceal. You want to use a shade of concealer or foundation, well, most likely full coverage, medium to full coverage. You want to use a shade that is exactly your skin tone or a tad bit darker. I like to go a tad bit darker for this makeup look for your base. And then I recommend using a beauty sponge because it blends out beautifully and it kind of gives you that skin like finish. You understand? So you want to blend, if I have a low forehead, so you want to blend into your hairline or outer corner, start from outer corners of your face and blend inwards. And you don't want to drag, draw, any of that shabazz. You just want to tap, tap, tap. Your hand will pain, but just keep on tapping. Just tap. That's the point. Tap. Then when you're done with this, you can now focus on the inner corners of your face. And I have a few dark spots and dark circles. I just take it on that particular area. I don't pull it all the way under my eyes because it takes away from the illusion. And also, don't forget to set every single step of the way. If you have acne skin, or you have oil-based skin, you want to make sure to set your face with setting spray. Then after this step, I go in with setting powder to lock in all that makeup first. I just kind of do the inner corners of my face so that kind of just like sets while I put blush. This step is not necessary, but I like to add color back to my face so I wouldn't look like a zombie or something. I like to use a lipstick because it shears out beautifully and it kind of gives that flush without you actually noticing it. Then when I'm done with the blush, I like to mattify my entire face because again I have oily skin and in less than 10 minutes of this makeup my face is going to look like I'm bathing in groundnut oil or something. The next step is brows. If you don't really have a lot of brows like me, you just want to fill it with thin soft-handed strokes. Do not conceal, just fill it and leave it. If you have a lot of brows, then you can just fluff it up and it will look absolutely gorgeous. After that, this step also not necessary, but I don't have eyelashes, so yeah, going to have to deal with that. Falsies, and then you want to top it off with a pair of lip gloss so your lips can be shining under the sun. This is the finished look, looking smart, preppy, and cute. Simple, fast, and efficient. Not the most full coverage, but again, that's not the point. Please like and share this video. Bye.